In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT problem with your request. 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear the most common roadblocks that cause login loops, blank pages, or credential errors without wiping your whole browser history. Start with a quick health check on the service itself. Open status.openai.com and look for messages like elevated error rates or authentication issues. As of May 18th, 2026, everything is fully operational. That means if you're seeing errors right now, the issue is almost certainly on your device, in your browser profile, or along your network path. So let's fix it there. Most problems are browser side, and the fastest test is to try a private or incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. If you can sign in there, you've just confirmed that an extension or stale cookie in your main profile is the culprit. Instead of clearing all browsing data, do a targeted cleanup. Go to your browser's settings, then privacy and security, then cookies and other site data. Open the page that lists all site data and permissions, search for OpenAI and ChatGPT, and delete only those entries. This preserves your logins elsewhere while giving ChatGPT a fresh start. Then perform a hard refresh on the login page to force a complete reload from the server. On Windows, use Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R. If the page still misbehaves, adjust your network. Disable any VPN or proxy, since shared endpoints are frequently rate limited or blocked by security filters. Next, try switching networks. Move from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or from a mobile connection back to your regular Wi-Fi. This assigns a fresh IP address and often clears security flags instantly. Now, address token timing and script blocking. Make sure your device clock is set to set time automatically. Secure authentication relies on precise timestamps, and even a small drift can break the handshake. Also, review your extensions. Ad blockers, anti-tracking shields, and privacy tools can block the scripts that process sign-in. Temporarily disable them for chatgpt.com, or pause them until you're fully logged in, then re-enable. Lastly, match your original sign-in method. If you created your account with Continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, use that same button again. Entering an email and a manual password on an SSO account will always fail by design. That's it. By checking service status, refreshing only the necessary site data, cleaning up your network path, syncing your clock, and using the right sign-in method, you'll bypass the usual traps and get straight back to work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.